Hi, Ian Newton here and welcome to this website. I run a workshop series entitled How to Relieve Stress and Anxiety Naturally and Boost Your Confidence. It's important that we do both of those things, work one down, bring down the stress, bring up the confidence. And there are a number of strategies by which this will occur. What I do is I layer together 5 or 6 strategies, and depending on the group, depending on the people, and each one of them has a benefit to you. Each one of them works towards reducing that stress in your life, reducing that anxiety, stopping you from just taking the stress of the world onto yourself and keeping it, allowing yourself to just let it go. I think in terms of like a bucket of stress, and this process is drilling holes in the bucket, but if we don't drill the holes, the bucket just fills up until you've had it up to here. And then the flip side is, as you're starting to feel stronger and more resilient, you become more confident. You can enjoy your life, feel happier and calmer and more relaxed. You will get all these strategies that you'll be able to learn on the day, and you will work with them on the day, and we will work with them together. And this will give you the strength and the confidence and the courage to go on and to feel so much better in your life, and perhaps tackle those things that you've been holding back from doing. So if you just look below, you'll see all the details of the seminar. Just give me a call on the 1300 number. We can reserve a seat for you and start this process of healing in your life. Thank you. I'm Ian Newton.